When I close my eyes, I can picture my brain like a gumball machine in a dusty arcade. It starts out empty, crystal clear, then the top opens up and the gumballs appear. Blue, green, yellow, purple, and red, they start piling up inside the Gumball Machine. The blues come in every time I feel sad, when I lost my favorite diamond gem on the school grounds. The purples fall in when I feel unsafe or scared of the boogeyman under my bed. But there's no boogeyman. The greens slide down with a jealous thud when my sister Sally's gotten more time in the tub. The reds arrive when I'm feeling mad, like when Liam took my toy from me. I didn't like that. The yellows come bouncing in with joy in their steps. I sing my favorite songs with friends, the alphabet. When my gumball machine brain's full to the rim, I take a breath in and out, some balls disappear. I take another breath, deeper this time. The gumballs swirl around every time. My gumball machine brain may not be clear, but it's mine, it will always be a part of me.